Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Well, today is Monday's crochet chat video, and I'd like to show you guys what all that I've been working on over the weekend, and a little bit, I guess, maybe like Thursday and Friday, some projects. But before I show you guys what I've been working on, I would like to say thank you to all of my subscribers for sticking with me, hanging in there, watching my videos. And I would like to say welcome to all my newest subscribers that I have gotten for this week. I've gotten quite a few of you guys, and I just want to say thank you so much for coming to my channel. I do have two shout outs today. Okay, one is Doris from Rose Cottage Studio. Thank you so much, Doris. I appreciate you watching my playlist and all the comments that you've been leaving. I noticed that on some of those comments, some of those videos you left comments on, I got to looking at those videos and I'm like, wow, those are old. I've come a long ways. And I was thinking, I made that stuff. You know, when I get to watching what all I was showing off, I was like, wow. So I just want to say thank you so much. Doris from Rose Cottage Studio, guys. She does have a YouTube channel. Please go check her out. She has tons of giveaways on her videos, but she is a great designer and she loves yarn and she just has a really good channel. I really like watching Doris. I will leave her link below for you guys. The other one that I have a shout out for that I would love for you guys to go and subscribe to if you feel like it, and that is Linda. This is Linda's Crochet and More. I love this lady. She cracks me up. She just makes my day. She actually does filming in the back seat of her, I don't know if it's a van, a SUV, a car, whatever, in her vehicle. And she has it all set up with her yarn, her blanket behind her and different stuff hanging up. It is just so cool, but it's more than just that. It's her personality. Linda, I just want to say I enjoy your channel. You make me laugh. I love it so keep posting those videos. I mean, I go to your channel every day looking to see if you have a new video. That's how much I enjoy your channel. So that's Linda's Crochet and More. Go check out her channel. The last time I looked, she had like 350 something subscribers. So she's apparently new and she is, you know, trying to build up her channel and she's doing a great job. Okay, so that's all that I have on that part. Just go check out those two sweet ladies if you get a chance and see what they're all about. And let's go ahead and move on to see what I've got going. Good old black coffee today. It's not quite as hot, so that shows that I poured it a little bit. It's been sitting in the cup for a little bit, so that's great. Yeah. Grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, and let's see what I have. Some things are finished and some things are still on the hook. So one of the things that I have finished is my interpretation of Ursula from Little Mermaid. I do have Little Mermaid. I'd have to go through my patterns and see if I have her. I don't know. I may have given her that outfit away to one of my great nieces. If I did, I'll probably just try to make another one and show you guys. But this is my interpretation of, and I wanted these to curl up, but it's kind of curling, but see, it's curling out. Anyway, this is my interpretation, and that is little pom-poms on there. This is the pattern that will be coming out this week. It's already at my testers, and they're probably already looking it over. So, yeah, look forward to this pattern. Oh, and there's the back side. It's so simple. I just made it where it slips on the doll, and all you do is you can tie it right here. I tried to make it as simple as possible up here. Okay, let's move on and see what else I've got going. Okay, guys, I haven't forgotten about this one. I plan on starting that this week. I'm excited about her. And a lot of you are new to my channel, so you probably didn't know this. There are like, I think 6 of these patterns. They are free until the end of this month, and then they become a paid pattern. So if you want these free, go to ricorumi.com. I will leave the link below in the description box. and download those patterns while they're free and print them out. Mine are all saved on my computer because, you know, I'm always afraid I'll end up losing this. So they are saved on my computer. And they're very easy. I usually take these with me in the car and work on them. Let me show you the two that I do have finished. The first one, the hippo, and then here is the bear. Don't you just love his little shorts? Aren't they just adorable? But that's them right there. They're so cute. So I am really looking forward to doing the cat. But like I said, these are free for at least till the end of this month. Okay, so this is one of the things I'm working on. I'm making some of these squares, and as you saw in Sunday's video, I am having a crochet along. So I am starting this week. I need to make 9 of these, and I need 9 stars. So I'm on square 4 as of making this video. So I'm so excited for this. I hope you guys are too. I've got my yarn right here, just working away. So I'm enjoying it out here. It's nice. It feels good this morning. I've even got my lights on, but I'm not really needing them as much right now. But yeah, I don't know if you guys have done this before, but if you buy these little pads, these little seating pads, they're good and cool in the summertime for your dogs to lay on. So I just kind of throw them out here because I leave them out here during the day if I go places. I leave them just right out here, and so I like for them to have something cool to lay on. But yeah, and then even over here, see, I've got one right there underneath in case the sun comes in a little bit too much on that side. Then I've got one underneath there that they can lay on. So yeah, my dogs are my babies, so I got 3 of them. But anyway, yeah, that's what I'm working on, getting these squares going. And I'm so excited for this. Now, this is early Saturday morning, so hopefully I will have a lot more done than just these 3 by Monday. Okay, so you got one of the dogs laying over there. I don't know if you guys know about that, but that is a great idea for your dogs, especially in the summertime, because these things feel cool on them. That's Abby. She's named after Downton Abbey, and the one that just walked by, that's Lady. But yeah, that's little Abby. Okay, the other thing I have is I did go to Joann's and picked me out some red white for the crochet along that I've got going on. I only had one red, and that's the one I'm working on. And so I figured I would buy 2 more of these. Yeah, I went ahead and bought 2 of these just in case, but I really think I'm only probably going to need 1. But then I thought, well, I'll need an extra just for stock. So I did order that one. Now, as far as white, I ordered 5 of these. I'm thinking it will probably only take maybe 4 because this pattern does take a lot of white. So I did order these. They were not on sale at Joann's. They might be now, but when I ordered them over the weekend, they weren't on sale. But, you know, usually Sundays they roll around and start a new sale. So I bought mine on Saturday. So that's what I bought. But I did use a coupon at 25% off on them. So I bought 5 whites and 2 red. That's what I bought. And I think it was like $25 total is what I paid. And that's with shipping. I did the pickup. That is with sales tax. So to update you, if you saw my video, I'll leave the link below to the crochet along. It's 35 squares. Now, you know, it's your blanket, so you can make as many squares as you want. If you want it bigger than that, go ahead. This measures about 36 inches across without a border. So that's what I have so far. There it is. I've done 2 rows. And this is for this week. So I don't have to do any more this week if I don't want to. I figure about 9 a week. So I thought, well, I'm just going to go ahead and do 10 a week and then go ahead and connect them. So I just connected them where I put front to front, and then I just whip stitch like that on the back side. That's all I've done. And then after I connected 5, then I connected these 5, and then I turned back to, front to front, the panels, the long strips, and then I whip stitched all the way down. So if you're interested in getting ahead and you would like to do that as well, that's how I did that. So, but there will be a video coming out on June the 20th, and it could be sooner, about how to assemble these, just in case. But I do have a video tutorial on how to make the square, if you haven't seen that yet. This is a crochet along, and it is really, I'm delivering it, but it's actually my sister Tanya's idea. She is giving away a $50 gift card to Joann's. And so I'm going to match her and do one $50 gift card to Hobby Lobby. But if you're international and you don't have that, you know, we'll figure out something for you guys. But it's open to everyone. All you got to do is submit your photo on my official post on Facebook of your finished blanket. It's a blanket, throw, Afghan, they're all the same to me. But I'm calling it the patriotic throw. But hey, I actually was going to call it the Stars and Stripes. And I don't know, somehow I ended up with patriotic. I think it's because it was shorter. But anyway, you can make this in any color. It doesn't have to be red, white, and blue. Oh, and I did have someone ask me, do you have to put the stars on it? No, you don't have to put the stars if you don't want to put a star. But it needs to be this pattern. This is the pattern. You know, you can't do someone else's pattern. It has to be my pattern. Anyway, that's what I'm up to. I'm really having fun with this. I am loving the response I'm getting from you guys. Thank you guys so very much for that. Hey, let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Okay, it says striving. My presence will go with you, and I will give you rest. Holy One, you are the longing of every weary heart. I'm tired of relying on my own strength to get by. It's exhausting. I don't have much more to give. My job and my family are suffering because I am nearing burnout. Lord, I know there must be a better way. Teach me to lean on your presence that provides me with the rest I need. There is no better way than depending on you. God, you know how I tend to try things on my own until I run out of steam. I'd rather partner with you from the beginning and be renewed in your presence as I go. Your way is better, and I want to walk in it. I'm done with striving. It says, what can you stop working so hard at on your own? That's a really good thing to think about, guys. All right, I'm so glad you guys are still enjoying that part of my video. I appreciate that very much. And I will try and see you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure what my schedule is for this week. I know Wednesday will be Whip Caddy Wednesday. So if you have pictures of your whip carts, please send them in. Email them. I've gotten a couple of emails. So thank you, ladies, for that. But you can email me your cart. You really need to tell me what's on the cart. It really helps me be able to say what you got going, so I can share that with other people to help inspire others. And post it in my Facebook group page, and that helps inspire others as well. And then I will put those in Wednesday's video for you guys and showcase what all you guys are working on, right? Okay, that's all that I have for this video, guys. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.